constantly on my mind. Give me one chance, I'll show you, baby. I promise I'll be with you while I'm
Gee, what's up? This is your boy Rawls from the Urban Prophets crew, based in Brisbane from Aotearoa. Right now, we've been kicking it all night with CBK, City Boy Kings Records, the world's infamous. We've been kicking it all night. Santazan, Fitzy's, Ember, all night. Crown Fridays are every Friday from now on, so you better get yourself down here.
Sit in my one desire, and you can call me no liar, yeah. It wouldn't hurt us to try it. Well, baby, don't you deny it, yeah. Before you walk out that door, I just need to know if I can be with you forever. Me wanna hold you in the middle of the night.
Hey, it's your boy Rick South from ER, representing City Boy Kings Records. It's had a filth night. Power, Sons of Zion, Urban Prophets. One Dread, big shout out. You bring your asses down here, Crown Fridays. Come down, check out our events on Facebook. If you ain't there, you ain't seen it. One love.
Did I ever tell you, baby, I want you here by my side? Just us together, there ain't nothing better. I know I wouldn't tell no lie. Yeah, for us to be walking hand in hand.
Yo, what up everyone? Kia ora, my name's Willie from One Dread. We just got off the stage. We're here to support the brothers from NZ, Sons of Zion. Also the boys that are about to take the stage now, Power. We're here, Fitzy's, Ember. We'd like to thank them for having us. Also a big shout out to CBK, Ruben, also world's most infamous. One Dread coming out with the EP soon, probably May. Peace out, one love, One Dread.
Me wanna hold you in the middle of the night. Me wanna hold you in the daytime too, yeah. Me wanna make sure everything with you's alright.
This is your boy Rilla, City Boy Kings, world's most infamous, present Sons of Zion. We've got the Power Boys here. We're at Fitzy's, Loganholme, Ember, so on. I'll leave it to the boys.
Yeah, had a wicked night. Awesome vibe, awesome bands, awesome music, and yeah, loved it, dig it, and there's more to come, so look out. Woo! Power.
All the way.
Just us together, there ain't nothing better. I know I wouldn't tell no lie.
What's up, it's Jared from World's Most Infamous. We're with Ruben from City Boy Kings, backstage with the bros from Sons of Zion. Fitzy's, Loganholme. Tell them what's up, Rio.
So, my name's Rio from Sons of Zion. This is the bro Sam. He's on percussion, bro Joel on the keys. I'm looking forward to jamming in Brisbane tonight. It's our first time jamming here. Fitzy's. I just want to make a big shout out to World's Most Infamous, Ruben from City Boy Records, and everyone who's bought the Suns here tonight. It's going to be a wicked night. Check.
Oh baby, don't you deny it. Yeah. Before you walk out that door, I just gotta know if I can be with you forever. Me wanna hold you in the middle of the night. Me wanna hold you in the daytime too, yeah. Me wanna make sure everything with you's alright. Ooh, just one question, can